Why was university life the thing for you?
So I think that the thing that needs to be understood is that university's primary aim isn't employment. It is also something you get out of university. But I think university is also academia. People go to university because they want to study. Lots of degrees don't immediately lead on to work. And I think for me personally, I love studying, I love academia, I love my time at university, and it was worth all the hard work I did to get into university. But I don't think it's for everyone. I think some people would definitely be better off going through the route of a vocational training or an apprenticeship. In fact, a university, especially in my university in Bristol, we know there's a mental health crisis now with lots of suicides happening in the last few years, and I just don't think the university environment is for everyone. However, if people are academically minded and they want to spend 3 years just studying for the sake of studying, then university is absolutely the right choice.
And having fun.
And having fun, but you also, if your friends are doing a vocational training and they're getting a head start and they're not paying and they're not accruing so much debt, then is the fun really worth it if you're not academically minded?
Fair point. Would you say you're having a brilliant time, Izzy?
Absolutely, yeah. It's the best years of my life so far, definitely.
So far. You don't know what's to come. Let me read you this email. I welcome the overhaul of the system of predicted grades. It's not actually going to be an overhaul, it's a suggestion from the Labour Party. If they win the next election, then they promise to do it by the end of the Parliament. As a teacher in the east of England, I'm under constant pressure to over-predict students' grades, pressure from parents, students and school leaders. I often have to predict 2 grades above, just so the student will receive an offer, despite my professional judgment. The attitude is, just do it so they will get something. And unconditional offers are the worst. Students often get these 3 months before their exams and then don't bother revising or coming to lessons because they don't have to. What do you think of that, Izzy, from a teacher? Actually over-predicting deliberately just so a sixth former gets an offer?
Well, I think this goes together with the idea now that we have that everyone's aspiration should be to go to university. And I think that it's not doing good to many students because I don't think everyone should be going to university.
Okay.
I think those who are,
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off in mid-flow, but...
I think those who want to dedicate 3 years of their time for study and don't have as the primary aim to be employed, then universities for them. But if people are just looking for a route into employment, I think there are better routes.
OK. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Good luck, all of you. Thank you for coming on the programme. Take care.